Hello everyone. So I want to quickly answer your question like what is a cell? So we know that cell is the basic fundamental and the structural unit of life. And we have a whole lot of scientists that actually contributed to cell, definition of cells, description of cell, and what cell theory itself. And we have amongst them Robert Hooke, Anthony von Leeuwenhoek, Matthias Ledin, Theodore Schwann. So what is the basis of cell theory itself? We have different statements for cell theory, and part of it is the cell is the basic structure and the functional unit of life. All living cells existed from the pre-existing cells, and all living organism has one or more cells, which means all living organism must have cells. Because before you can say something is a living organism, it must have either single or multiple cells. So on the basis of the number of cells that an organism has, we can classify organism into either unicellular organism or multicellular organism. Now cells also has something inside them, because in the hierarchy of life, we started from the microorganelles, the organelles, the cell, tissue, organ, system, and organism, right? Now, so cell has in them organelles, and we have different type of organelles. We have the mitochondria, we have the Golgi apparatus, the food vacuole, the chlorophyll, chloroplast, nucleus, and other organelles like that. Now, nucleus is regarded to be the life of a cell itself. But we have some cells that does not have a true nucleus, and we have some cells that has true nucleus. So what are the type of cells in terms of the type of nucleus that it has? We have the eukaryotic cell and the prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell are those one with no true nucleus, and eukaryotic cell are those one with true nucleus and true nuclear membrane. So which means on the basis of the type of cell that an organism has, we can classify living organism into either prokaryotic organism or eukaryotic organism on the type of cell that it has. So example of prokaryotic organism are bacteria, virus, and all like blue green algae and all like that. So those ones that doesn't have true nucleus. But the typical example of a prokaryote is a bacteria. And an eukaryote includes animals, plants, protozoans, and fungi. So these are the type of organism that we have on the basis of the type of cell that it has. So a multicellular organism